I'm spraying the sink counter inside of the sink and the handles, spraying the urinal, frequently high touch area with the toilets. We have the seats here. And then we have the handle. We're going to allow that sit time to take place, and then we're going to go on to the next task. The next task is going to be the glass cleaner. So just going to spray the glass. When you spray the glass, you want to wipe down from top to bottom. And some people just wipe down erratically. You know, I teach my staff that it has to be uniform, and this will prevent streaks. Okay, so we're going to go from top and side to side. The handles, for the handicap handles, flip my rag. That way I can use another side of the same rag on a different surface. Then we're going to wipe down the feminine collection box. Go over a quick recap of what we've done so far. We sprayed the disinfectant. We allowed it to sit on it for its proper sit time. That's on the sink counter, inside of the men's urinal, and on the toilet. We also wiped the handrails, and we also wiped the feminine collection box. And I'm going to flip my rag again. And I'm going to wipe the soap dispenser.
1, 2, 3.